Okay, let's see. Today is November 18th, 2021. This is the preliminary hearing calendar. My name is Brad Gardner. I'm presiding over this calendar today. Position 1 is Roberto Arroyo.
State's ready.
Yes, Your Honor. Public defender is ready. However, subject to some negotiations, we may be able to avoid a hearing.
Okay, so you need a pre-trial.
Yes.
Pre-trial.
Mhm.
Okay. Position number 6 is Roderick Arnold.
Judge, that actually we just got word that officer is there's some emergency surgery that he has to have, and so we're asking if it can't be resolved that it be reset.
What's the position of the defense?
This is Tiffany Pleasant's case, Your Honor. Ms. Freeman gave me several updated bond offers yesterday evening. So if I could speak with my client, I can provide an updated notice to the court.
Okay. Position 7, Kadarius Banks.
I believe that's a fast track, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes, Judge.
Whose case is that?
That's Marsha Herring's case. Good morning, Judge. That is a fast track.
Okay, thank you. Position 10 is Willie Barnes.
Judge, this was the other case that the state had an issue with, and I spoke to Ms. Baskin and Ms. Wesley yesterday. We didn't know the case was on the calendar until yesterday.
Okay.
This goes to an issue of cases being added and we're not being notified, but we're working through that. But we did reach out to try to get the officer, and the officer is actually on vacation through November 27th.
Okay, is this the person that was placed back on the calendar? Was
No,
taken off and then placed back on?
No, that's a different.
Okay.
No, sir, Your Honor. Mr. Barnes was, he surrendered to the sheriff's office a week ago. And then we were placed on this calendar at first appearance.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I have a pretrial with the state regarding this?
Yes, sir.
And then I may ask for a pretrial with the court. I understand the notice issue that the state has. My client is probably more concerned with bond than anything else because he has serious medical issues. Let me just ask the court, if we waived our right to a preliminary hearing, would the court be willing to entertain the issue of bond either this morning or reschedule him to the Friday morning bond calendar for a bond?
Judge, I would have no objection to that.
Okay.
Under these circumstances, would have no objection.
To him receiving, considering bond today or considering bond on tomorrow?
Either one, Judge. So what we've done in the past, in rare circumstances when if this defendant has some severe medical issues, I don't know what they are, but sometimes the judges will go into a breakout room, and the judge will hear defense counsel's argument about bond, or we'll put it on the Friday calendar. So either one.
Okay. I'll allow a pretrial and then we can deal with the bond issue later.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Position number 12 is Victor Brooks.
He's ready.
Good morning, Judge Alfonso Craft for Mr. Brooks. I just need to pre-try that with the state.
Okay. Position number 16, is it Mushingudi Chabuikwa? Okay, I'm sorry, I just totally butchered that person's name.
Judge, that case shouldn't be on the calendar. That's a fugitive from justice.
I was gonna ask that question.
It shouldn't be on the calendar.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll see. Position 17 is Destiny Collins.
The state's ready.
Justin Jones from Ms. Collins. We'd like to pre-try this with the state.
Okay. Position 19 is Destiny Collins. I'm sorry. Position 20 is Lee Anthony Drummer.
Your Honor, Justin Jones representing Mr. Drummer. We need to pre-trial this as well at the state.
And Judge, if you can give me one moment. I am here. My next case is we are ready. I just need to.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Ms. Freeman is doing two different things, and she notified us that she may have to step off for a brief moment. So she announced ready for Jacob Gatson. Is that a private attorney? Is there anyone here for Jacob?
Present at the R1.
Gaston is the juvenile that
Okay,
was just placed on. The state is not ready. That is one that, and your Honor is aware of the issues with that case.
all right.
Thank you.
So Ms. Freeman, that was the one added yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Glaze from the RYDC, you said something, but I couldn't understand what you were saying.
I said Gaston is present at the RYDC if needed.
Okay, that's your audio is lagging, but I heard you, it sounded like you said he's there and ready if needed. This case is probably gonna have to be continued. There's no lawyer that's listed for Mr. Gatson. And I
Okay, I'll
believe
advise
this,
him.
okay.
Your Honor, may he be excused?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Judge, just so you are aware, Jacob Gatson was already on the list, but he was removed in error. So he was placed back on, but he was already on there. But he was removed in error
Okay, when was he removed?
yesterday. But we went ahead and put him back on, but he was already on there.
Okay. Mr. Kraft,
Yes, Your Honor.
would your office, if Mr. Gatson is in a position where he's indigent, would your office be the office representing him, or do you, and I don't know the answer to this question, is there special juvenile public defenders?
No, we'd be handling the case, Judge.
Okay. Let's see.